big guy. Watch out. They gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guy. Okay. And we be putting on for sure. And if you know.
Back in the kitchen, we're gonna do some loaded potato poppers today. Got this recipe off IG, so you guys stay tuned. We're gonna take our potatoes. We're gonna cut them like a 1/4 of an inch thick. Go like this. Yeah. All cut up. Let's go ahead and get these guys in here. And do is get them rinsed off. Let's go and get these guys back out. Gonna dry them up a little bit, then we're gonna season them. Paper towel, dry them up. Let's get the seasoning. I'm all laid out here. Let's go ahead and get these guys seasoned. So we're gonna take our ranch and we're gonna top them with the ranch. Transfer these guys over to our baking sheet. Stack them up here. Get them all in the pan, guys. Go ahead and put a little olive oil on these guys. I don't have a brush, so we're just gonna, make this thing work. So let me go ahead and take care of this. Get them all coated. I'll be right back. Get our guys seasoned all up with the juice here. I mean, with the seasoning. Here we go. Get them all seasoned up. All seasoned up. What is that? What is that? T-Money in the house. Look, I got company. What is this?
You've been hit by a smooth criminal.
Too deep. You already know this. So this is good for company and family and friends come over, guys. Something easy. So we about to pop these guys in the oven so we can get them done. So this is the first phase. We're gonna stick it in for like 20-25 minutes. About 375. Stay tuned. Alright guys, with this sauce, this dipping sauce, I went ahead and started with 2 heaping spoonfuls of sour cream. Paprika, really supposed to be smoked paprika, so it could be a smoked sour cream. I just went with paprika, that's what I had. Cumin, I guess I could say about 2 tablespoons of paprika and a tablespoon of cumin. Of course, salt and pepper. You mix it and you taste it. And of course, season to taste from this point forward. And I'll be happy to add more paprika and cumin because I wanted a little bit more pronounced taste of those flavors. And it's been pretty good.
Come on, man. I don't know if it's bad, but it's different.
Yeah. your glass star time?
Kept that because on the account that's still on me that I can transfer your money to the other cash that's charged me fee. Well, why you should have kept it because you never know what predicament you might be in.
Let's get these guys out of here. Let's get these guys out of here. This was an experiment. I've never done this before, but you know, I'll sum it all up in the review. But yeah, it looks really, really good. We're good to go. But we're gonna taste them and we're gonna close out. We got our pepperoni, we got our bacon, and we just got some regular ones here. So yes, potato poppers. Yes, sir. All done. Got the sour cream, like a smoky sour cream in here. So we got cumin, smoked paprika, and we got salt and pepper, and we got sour cream. Yeah. Dip it. This one got bacon. Yes, sir. One out here. Nice and hot. Here you go. Let's taste it. Yeah, I went bad black. Bacon and cheese and that green onion. Really good. Let's taste the pepperoni. Pepperoni. Dip it in that smoky sour cream. Really good. This snack favorite. Yeah, it's very good. The video because it is the weekend, baby. And thanks for rocking with your boy. I really appreciate it. So I'm throwing shorts out there, queen. But I pray you guys continue to do what it is you set your sights on. So let's get it. Let's go. God bless you. And I'm seeing you guys next video. Peace.